Mitre saws are very complex tools. Just looking at them, there are a lot of different nuances to look at and master. Now, if you're picking up a mitre saw, or just putting down a mitre saw for the first time, or if you're a seasoned veteran, there are still so many different accessories and hand tools that you can use to up your game. Starting with Vaunt's universal extendable mitre saw stand. Now, you can use a mitre saw in a workshop, but if you want to take it anywhere else on and off the job, then you are going to need a stand like this. Now, this is really, really impressive. As you can see on the end here, you've got nice wheels to wheel it on and off site, and these legs are really easy just to fold out, and then you've got a nice solid base for sawing. You also have rollers on the side which are extendable and can support material up to 3 meters long. And this thing is built tough, being able to withstand up to 150 kilograms of weight on top. Now, if you've already got a mitre saw stand, or you work primarily in a workshop, you maybe don't need a brand new mitre saw stand, but you are going to want to check out these. These are Vaunt's aluminium roller stands. Now, these are great for making material passing and holding as easy as possible. You had the rollers on the stand we just looked at, however, they can only support material up to 3 meters long. But with these, you can put them anywhere. So as long as you have these on either side of your material and your mitre saw in the middle, you're not really restricted by the length of the material that you are cutting into. Now, these are built of lightweight but durable aluminium, so it's easy to carry on and off the job and move about, because you're going to do that a lot with these, but also they are durable and can hold up to 60 kilograms of weight. They also are height adjustable, so you can extend them up to 1.1 meters tall, and so whatever mitre saw stand or table you're working on, you'll be able to adjust the height to get the job done. And now look at this, and before you start typing up some sarky comment, oh, these are mitre saw must-haves and you're including marker pens, Milwaukee INKZALL markers aren't just regular old pens. These are designed specifically for marking and scribing on material. That is because the tips on these are built to last. Not only does the shape of these not change, but these are specifically designed to mark on oily, dusty, and rough materials. There's nothing more annoying than trying to mark out a piece of material and all of a sudden your pen's not really cooperating with the material. If you're using a Milwaukee INKZALL marker, your prayers are answered. You'd be using the INKZALL markers to, of course, mark out angles on material. How are you going to find those angles in the first place? And that is where Bahco's impressive angle bevel comes into play. You can hold this against the flush wall or a material and use this to transfer the angle straight onto your next piece of material, and that is, of course, when you'd mark it out. You can even hold this against the mitre saw fence and then adjust the bevel on the mitre saw, and just to get those cuts as even as possible every single time. Construction wise on this is very easy to adjust just by turning the screw on the bottom here, but also is made of strong aluminium, so it is durable, but it is also built to get the job done. However, if you were looking to do more with the angles, for example measuring and identifying them, then you are going to want to pick up Vaunt's digital angle rule. You can hold this against the material or against the angle that you're looking to cut into and use the digital display on here to measure the angle. And similar with the Bahco model that I just showed you, you can use this against the mitre saw fence just to get the angle of your bevel cut absolutely perfect every single time. But what this does even better is that it has two 200mm rules on either side, so you can even measure the length of cuts as well with this device. This is accurate as well, giving you an accuracy of up to 0.3 degrees, and it is built for the job as well with a nice durable steel construction. So if you are looking to get the most out of these, then you are going to want some of those cracking accessories and hand tools on hand, and you can check them all out now over at INKZALL.co.uk.